What's up guys, Malik here and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be reviewing the two trades that I made on the market today. Today is 6/19, otherwise known as Juneteenth. So it was a federal holiday, so the banks were also closed, so you didn't have a lot of trading volume today. So I only made two trades. I had one trade carrying over from last night, and then I had a trade today that actually ran into where the market closed before it opened up. So I was kind of holding a trade. As soon as it opened up, I kind of closed it, and you'll see how it could have traded going forward. So the first trade, we actually have it here. I entered at 9 p.m. last night, and that was at 15106.4, and then I actually closed the trade at let's see when I close the trade here. If you minus 3 from this, you see where I close the trade, which would have been at around, I think that's 11 p.m. So this is 11:20 p.m. So that's where I actually closed this trade at 11:20 for a total profit of 1860. And then I had a tight stop loss at 15.98. So I had a stop loss of relatively $6-7, and then my take profit was around $18, closer to the top of the zone. So that was the first trade that I did. And then the second trade I entered actually at on the 10:15 candle. So I entered on the 10:15. There's a little discrepancy between the price here. I'm not sure why the broker filled me at a price different than what the market was showing, but that's how brokers make money, off of that little slippage or difference between the price that they are showing to us and what they're actually purchasing for. So I entered here at 15077.3. You'll see it here, and then I actually closed the trade just now at 9:17, and you see the time here. I'm recording this at 9:30. You can see the market is starting to kind of push up, so I might have closed a trade that could have been a continuation, but I'm going to be starting to take a lot of the profit. So as soon as I'm up like 100, 200, I'll take the profit, move on to the next day, and then I'm thinking probably not to trade on Fridays. If I have a great week going forward, I'll just close it nice and then start the weeks fresh over again, because Mondays to Thursdays seem to trade pretty straightforward, but then when it comes to Fridays, it just turns very nuts, right? So I'll see you in tomorrow's video. I'm hearing that this week might be very eventful with Jerome Powell speaking 2 times. You know, anytime Jerome Powell speaks, the market tends to pump or just has a lot of movement, right? And you can see the market is starting to push up exactly from where I sold, but I wouldn't want to force this, because if I went to bed holding this trade, you could have a big reversal that just came back and hit out my stop loss. But the stop loss is at around a $9 loss, a $9 max risk, but I just closed the trade anyways, right? But I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Hope you liked it. The trading today was just moving off of the zones and then looking at how the candlesticks were forming. So as the candlesticks kind of found a bottom here, I just took it to the upside with my risk down here. It's just managing the risk and then taking profits as it goes up. Even for here, when I went to the buy side, my risk was at around 1564, and then seems like market came down and touched me out there, but it didn't hit me out on a broker. So I guess it works on both sides, where the slippage doesn't cause you to be hit out, so it works out. But I'll see you in tomorrow's video. You see why I'm trading the zones. They kind of trade off of the zone. You can see you kind of form movement within the zone. You go to the lower bound of the zone, and then here we might have some, I guess, accumulation before we start pushing to the upside. But getting above 15,200 thereabout is very bullish on the market, something to pay attention to. But I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye bye.